day 4 of derivatives, where you as a student need to observe the question, because I always say your question is the major hint as to how do you solve the sum. My question here is ax plus b into e raised to y upon x is x. But what I need to prove in the double order part, I do not have e raised to y upon x continuing in the sum. So what do? I separate e raised to y upon x on one side and I throw the second variable on right hand side. Next, I take log. So log m raised to n is n log m. Log e to the base e, students, we know is 1. And right hand side log m upon n is log m minus log n. So step 1, log e, which was not required, is gone. I go ahead now to take my derivative. So if I differentiate with respect to x, derivative of u upon v is v derivative of u minus u derivative of x over here is 1 upon x square. My right hand side derivative of log x minus log of a function is 1 upon a function into derivative of function. If I take LCM, I have ax plus b minus ax upon x times ax plus b, which gets cancelled, and on the left hand side x dy by dx minus y, I throw the x square over here, which gets cancelled, which now I'm writing again over here. Now, what you need to observe, students, is that look at your answer. It is telling you that this is already here. That means the square has to be sorted. I go ahead with taking derivative again. So if I differentiate again, derivative x, derivative of derivative, dy by dx, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y is dy by dx gets cancelled. Right hand side u upon v is v derivative of u minus u derivative of v upon v square. On opening this bracket up, the term axb gets cancelled, leaving me over here with b upon ax plus b the whole square. And on the left hand side, I have only this part. Now comes the main part, where can I say this was already here? So will the square of this actually become over here as 1 upon x square, throwing this down, x dy by dx minus y the whole square. Done. Throw the x over here and you have your answer, that x cube d square y by dx square is x dy by